Hello, welcome to another session of Learn with Veer Saga. In the last couple of sessions, we have talked about how to make the company grow big by energizing and enthusiasing the front end, the sales team, to go for very large volumes, more than they've ever done before. Having got them enthused and all set to go, and having modified, rearranged the front end, the sales system to get for volumes, we now need to look very seriously at our delivery system, at our backends. And unless we're able to synchronize the backend and the delivery with the ambitions of the front end, we're going to have a very sad story, because we would have got orders, we would have got advances from customers, but we would not have been in a position to deliver because we had not modified or corrected or synchronized the backend. So how do we need to synchronize the backend to keep pace with the ambitions and the delivery system of the front end? The first thing we had to do in order to help the front end get the orders is to bring down our cost dramatically. Where today our cost of raw material was equal to the selling price of most customers, we now had to get a situation where our finished price is equal to anybody else and still we make money. That means we had to do something very dramatic with our purchase and our product. The first thing we analyzed is why our costs are high. And we found out it's because of our in-house design. Our in-house design was a very good thing to have when there were no imports allowed and we had to do everything in-house. But now with the market opened up and imports freely allowed, it didn't make sense. Secondly, since it was our own in-house design, our volumes were very low, our cost of purchase was very high. Because the supplier who made this had to create a special lot size for us, and secondly, because of our small lot size, we had to make in very large volumes to cover a viable production lot. When we have this large inventory and with the very high rate of obsolescence of components, electronic components, it caused us other cost problems of either having to scrap some of this material and create fresh, buy new ones, or modify the design. Both cost money. So we need to then jettisoning our in-house design and our in-house manufacture. So what do? We go to Taiwan and buy off the shelf the latest what's available in the PC market. This did two things. It brought down our cost tremendously because we were now buying almost at the same price, if not better, than what others were buying. Two, we did not have to keep any inventory because we were buying what's available in the market. And therefore, what's the latest designs? We were buying the latest designs and therefore there was no inventory. Thirdly, we were able to bring the cost down because we were taking advantage of everybody's volume. Previously, our cost was high because we had to do on our volume. Now, since our designs are not our own and we are buying from the market, we were taking advantage of everybody's volume. So our costs came down substantially. Having brought down the cost, it also brought down our inventory because we were now doing on just in time. So the cost of money that we were spending on production came down, and money is, as you know, is very expensive. As we were buying from the market, right, we were no different from anybody else. We were the same, but we were buying almost the same product. Maybe we did a little better, more quality control, as selection or whatever. So we decided that we will differentiate by being quality, by being better quality. So what did we do? We then created a 72-hour testing process for temperature and for vibration, etc. So we then went on to synchronize the back office, change totally what we are doing, change the manufacturing process, change the purchasing process, change the technical process. So we revamped the entire back end to tie up with the front end ambitions. And when they both gelled together, the company could actually take off and do well. With that, I just want to summarize again that in order to actually make profit and grow, it's not just necessary to get orders. It's not enough. It's a required, major requirement, but it's not a sufficient requirement. We also need to synchronize the entire organization, the purchasing organization, the manufacturing organization, the payment system, the cash management, so that the entire engine works smoothly as one. With that, we can make, not only we can get volumes, but we can also make profit. And that's what we did. Once we went down to this selling volumes and buying in this very, very efficient manner, using our cost very efficiently by not tying it up in obsolete inventory, we were then able to turn around and make money. So till that time, it's Veer Sagar saying goodbye and till we meet again. Thank you.